AccelaMOBILE has an integrated charge report that consolidates all charge data within AccelaMOBILE at a given time. This report is especially helpful if you're using AccelaMOBILE as a standalone application. Please note the rounding printout is not the same thing as a charge report. We do have a separate video explaining how to use the rounding printout. But to access the charge report, go to Menu and select the Encounter option. On the Encounter screen, you'll see Charge Report up at the top of the screen. Select Charge Report, and this will take you to a selection screen where you can select criteria to build your charge report. If you have multiple providers in your practice, they'll all be listed in this providers box. Same thing goes for locations. I'm going to select multiple locations to view my charges from today. You can select a date range or a specific data service. I'm going to choose to see charges from the past few days. You can also set whether or not you want to see complete charges and progress charges, those that have already been batched, or any appointments that you might have scheduled. I'm going to select complete. Another option is whether or not you want to view reported or not reported charges. Reported simply means charges that you have already run reports on in the past. Ideally, these charges would have already been printed out and keyed into your practice management system, but always double check that. Not reported would be brand new charges that you have not run a report on previously. You also have the option to search by patient name, first name or last name, if you want to view charges for a particular patient. I'm going to select all my criteria and click on Refresh. This now populates certain search criteria down at the bottom of the screen. I can choose now to export this criteria into a CSV file, Excel, or XML. I'm going to select Excel. You can open or save the file. I'm going to go ahead and open the file. This will now populate all of my charge information by provider and by patient into an Excel format that's quick and easy for you to view and print out, and then again you're able to easily key your charges into your practice management system from this report. Here's a sample report here for you to see.